Let's learn how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. In this exciting video, we're going to unveil the secret on how to discover those elusive viewers of your Instagram stories even after the time limit has passed. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Instagram app on your device. Then go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Now you are in your profile and you need to go on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. That will open this menu and click on Archive button. You are on Archive menu, but I'm on Posts Archive and you need to make sure you are on Story Archive. When you do that, go on any story you want. I'm going on this. Now simple swipe up, and on the way you can see who viewed your story. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.